Mosquitoes breed during the warm and cool months, especially where there is increased rainfall and lots of pools and puddles of idle and stagnant water containers where they love to breed. These tiny insects are deadly with the diseases of dengue and malaria they carry, as our Bienveni Manalo reports.
Gina Briones' house in Barangay Tandang Sora in Quezon City was among those that was saved from the flood during the recent weather disturbances. Their bakery, which was their main source of daily needs, was also flooded. However, she is most worried about the increasing number of places of mosquitoes can breed it due to the floods that may bring deadly dengue and malaria.
Yung mga flower base namin dito, pinapalitan namin araw-araw kasi alam naman namin na doon nag-stock up yung mga ng lamok, yung mga egg, tapos magiging lamok. And then, nag-spray ko po kami sa mga ilalim ng bahay. I-check namin yung mga madidilim na i-check po namin yon. I-spray po kami.
She is being very cautious with whatever she does, especially since she has small grandchildren living with her.
Yung mga apo ko po, meron pa silang off-lotion na nilalagay para protektahan yung pagkagat ng lamok. Tapos sa gabi, nakapajama po sila.
Aside from the deadly dengue, malaria is also one of the diseases caused by mosquitoes being monitored by the Department of Health or DOH. Malaria is an infectious disease caused by the Plasmodium parasite and transmitted through the bites of infected Anopheles mosquitoes. Some of its symptoms are fever, chills, severe headache, severe fatigue, and loss of consciousness. And if not treated immediately, it can cause serious diseases like anemia, jaundice, convulsions, and can even lead to the death of the patient. And this November, Malaria Awareness Month is being observed with the aim to raise the public awareness on how to prevent the disease. Meanwhile, the DOH continues to be alert on the threat of dengue now that the weather is cold and the rain is also increasing. The department also reminds the public to maintain cleanliness to prevent diseases.
Yun pong kampanya para paalalahanan ng ating mga kababayan na magsuot ng long sleeves or ng pantalon at saka ng mga insect repellent lotions or sprays para hindi makagat ng lamok. Gumamit na rin ng kulambo. At para paalalahanan ang mga nakakaramdam ng may lagnat na mataas ang temperatura, 40 degrees pataas, o kaya mga pananakit ng ulo at pananakit ng tiyan na kumonsulta ng maaga para maagapan.
In case of malaria, PhilHealth has an outpatient malaria package worth more than 1,000 pesos. It covers diagnostic malaria smears, rapid diagnostic tests, medicines, and consultation, patient education, and counseling. Bien Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.